What up, geeks? This is Ben for aNerdHeard, and today we got another unboxing, and I'm excited to say it is the Apple TV 4K, and this is the new one that just came out that comes with the very much long-awaited for updated Siri remote. So without further ado, let's get into it. So a couple fun facts about this. It does sport a newer processor. I believe it is the A10 processor, and it does sport, like I said, the new Apple TV remote. So here we go. Whew. I always love unboxing an Apple product. So Apple TV pretty much looks the same. It's really what's inside that's changed. So I'm not going to focus too much on that. But here it is in all its glory. We still have an HDMI, though this is a 2.1 HDMI port. We have the Ethernet, and then we have power. And then on the bottom, with an imprint of the Apple logo. That's cool. Same old thing. Nothing physically has changed externally. So inside the box we do have, I'll leave this for last, the paperwork here, which is just your standard Apple TV paperwork, and two Apple stickers there. And then further inside we do have a lightning cable as the remote charges via lightning. I'm going to put that back, and then we have the power supply, same exact power supply, nothing crazy there. Now this right here will be kind of the thing that most people will be excited for. It's what I'm excited for, but as I already have an Apple TV, the whole point of getting another one was that we now have a 4K TV. So I wanted a 4K Apple TV, as the one we have now is just a standard 64 gigabyte Apple TV. And here it is. I will say, compared to the other one, it is weighty. In fact, let me go grab the other one. Alright, and here it is. Now I'm going to take it out of its little plastic thing, as we kept it in there to give it a little bit of thickness. As it is a rather thin device, and it was hard to hold it sometimes, as in my hand I have nothing for nearly the bottom two fingers, as I can exemplify there, without having a decent, I call it a thumbs up reach, right? Like you want to be able to control a touch surface with a thumbs up. So with your thumbs up reach, you can access that pretty easily, and with a small adjustment, you can access the buttons in the middle. Now, comparatively, this is the side by side, all right? We're looking at a taller device, but not just taller, but thicker as well, which I think is fantastic. I'm so excited about that. That has me so pumped. Now, it is thinner, I will say, than the other. In fact, there you have two little T3 screws that probably popped it out, changed the battery, I don't know. That's pretty cool. They both charge via lightning, but yeah, it is a whole different ball game now. Siri button on the side as opposed to over here. A click wheel, which feels nice. I'm excited for it. Microphone is still at the top. And then you have a power button, so you can actually turn your TV on and off, which I think is awesome. And then down here you got your dedicated back button, which I've seen, I think Rene Ritchie was talking about how depending on the app that does certain things differently. You got your home button, you got your play pause, pretty much mute, volume up and down, and yeah, so that's a comparison there side by side, and I'm very excited for this. This feels much better in the hands. It's the right thickness, it's the right length, everything about it just feels great. So yeah, that is the Apple TV. I've been waiting to open this up, and it is, ooh, it's braided. I love it. Oh, it's got some, I love it when cables do this. They include something to tie it with. And this is Velcro, which I can definitely appreciate. So yeah, this is it for the Apple TV. I'm excited to finally get it up. I'm going to do the whole calibration thing with the Apple TV. And keep in mind that calibration, what it does is that it uses your iPhone with the Face ID camera, and you can put it up against the screen and it calibrates it. But it doesn't calibrate the TV. It calibrates the Apple TV to show the best image, which I think is very important to note. It's not that it changes your TV internally and makes it so it shows a better image. No, it just calibrates it so that the Apple TV shows the best image it can on the screen that it's shown on. So anyways, this has been for aNerdHeard. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below, and we'll get a full review once we get an extensive use out of the device. We don't like to do reviews where we use it for a couple hours. We like to really get our hands on it, get the good and the bad. just like the Xbox controller. That review is coming up. And I definitely have a lot of goods, but I found some bads, and it has to do with the quality of the device. So thumbs up if you're ready for that. I know I'm excited to finally get that going, but there is an issue that I ran into that I'll get into depth, and hopefully I can get it repaired, and I can go over the process of what that looks like. Anyways, this has been for aNerdHeard. You all take it easy and have a great day. Peace.